Google recently revamped their OS with the launch of the Android 12. Also launched a revamped Pixel design with the launch of the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. But even though they also revamped their wearOS with the help of Samsung, but Google have no device to feature their stock look of the new wearOS. Almost a year back, we heard and we saw, thanks to John, the renders of the Google Pixel Watch, but its launch got delayed so many times. But according to a new tweet by him, the long-awaited Google Pixel Watch is expected to be released sometimes this year. I will tell you when. Last month, John even posted some marketing slides of the device. Originally, he said to expect the watch to be unveiled at the same time as the Pixel 6 line, which could have made more sense, but that didn't happen. But now, according to Prosser, Google will make the Pixel Watch official on Thursday, May 26th, which means the introduction could take place during the Google's I/O event. Now that's kinda cool. Just like the Google Pixel smartphone, Google will also show some smart new features or unique new features of the wearOS operating system on the Pixel Watch. Well, not much is known about the Pixel Watch, but the marketing images and the renders we have seen shows us a very good looking round and curvy watch. Now there is also a physical crown on the right side of the watch. While we can't talk about what kind of health features will be found on the watch, but it was surely gonna feature some kind of health features. With that, we've also seen quite a bit of watch faces that looks really good on the watch. Now because it is coming with the wearOS, so then you don't have to think about how many watch faces are there. It's just unlimited. The Pixel Watch from Google will be a proper competitor to Apple Watch as well as Galaxy Watches. Now, will it be under Fitbit branding? Well, we haven't heard anything like that, but Pixel Watch name will be more of a Google thing than any other name. So, yeah. My latest Mountain Series 1 Wallpaper Pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.